everybody, it's me, David D, back again with another video for the population. So something that I've been trying to do here is grow plants, and this is aloe vera. This is actually from my grandma's. This is like a grandma's plant, like from like the 60s, maybe even. I don't really remember. It's like, oh, we don't talk about that. But yeah, so I also got this passion flower, purple passion flower, which if you don't know, actually turns into passion fruit. So as you can imagine, you can eat it and it's pretty good, but it's growing like crazy. So I've been selling cuttings. Cuttings are basically just trimmings of plants that you can plant into some soil or into some water and it will grow roots. And all you have to do basically is just trim it up. So this is untrimmed. I don't think I have anything to show you that is trimmed, but this is red hibiscus, and that's something else I'm also selling. So this is a passion fruit cutting. Oh, we just go through like the pictures here. It's pretty much just what I showed you. This one's just showing my dogs and how big it's gotten. This was planted like 2 years ago. It's kind of crazy, but I'm selling it for 10. It's sold twice, I think, so far. And I posted it about a month ago or 2 months ago, but I got a review. It came in a moist paper towel wrapped in an envelope and had great packaging. So that's like something that you really have to understand when you're shipping plants is that you have to be careful with shipping, how to ship it. So yeah, just make sure you do that. And then I got a lot of other stuff here, but this is like the aloe vera. So no one's actually bought the aloe vera yet because it's kind of invasive. I don't think people care about that. It just grows everywhere, so I don't think people really need it that much. But it's I'm selling it 1 pound. It's from a grandma's 1980s plant. I'd like to include that it's coming from like a grandma's plant. I don't know why, but I feel like it makes the appeal better. But what I was getting at is the fact that you can actually take these listings or take like pretty much any plant that you have at your home, take cuttings of it, unless it's like a fruit plant. I'm pretty sure most fruit you can't take cuttings of. But if we go here, you see that I've actually posted it on eBay, and I feel like it would sell quite a bit because if we go here and look, people actually do sell it, and then mine's right there. That's the collector. Please go to my eBay and buy something for me. I'll give you 5%. I mean, don't tell eBay. You know what I'm saying? Don't tell eBay. No, I'm joking. But yeah, so these are 2 live starter plants, $24, 79 sold, 15 seeds, like 884 sold. That's crazy. We can go here, go to sold listings and see that it sold literally today, yesterday. This looks like it's just being drop shipped, so it's just kind of crazy that people are buying this whenever it's not like homegrown. This is actually a beautiful plant, which that might be drop shipped too, considering they have 20. I don't know. They say mom's home garden, but let's be real, is it really? We're selling cuttings, so let me look up cuttings. So you see here they're selling way cheaper. This one's like 20 bucks, but this is like live runners, which will sell for more. For the fruit cuttings, these are 15, no root. I don't know, I might have to change the price of mine because I believe it's $10 plus shipping, but this is one that sold maybe. And if you have any plants at home, you can just take the cuttings and post them directly like on Etsy, eBay. And I'm about to do Facebook, but I don't really like dealing with Facebook people. Let's be real, they're kind of annoying to deal with. And also, I don't like meeting up in public places for $10. Like, it's just, I don't know. I'd rather have like a garden or something. That's all in the future. But that's just what I want to let you guys know is like a little interesting way to make a little extra money is taking your plants and just post them on Etsy and eBay. And pretty much, I think those are about the only two I would post them on. Facebook too, if you got some like exotic things that would sell for a lot. And then I just wanted to get at something here real quick. If we go here to my seller level, I'm actually below standard, and that's because I did something really stupid, which I don't think anyone should ever do. Is I tried to drop ship for a little bit extra money, and first of all, one, I should have drop shipped on another account, fresh account, not this account at all. But I tried to drop ship, and I had to cancel like 4 orders, and that pretty much dinged my account so bad that now if they evaluated me today, which will be on the June 20th, they'll be below standard. So yeah, the defect rate is 6%, and they're supposed to be less than 2%. So I'm gonna have to fix that. Gonna have to sell a lot of stuff and just make sure I ship it out and don't cancel it. But yeah, even the stuff that I uploaded on time, like it just kind of got not uploaded at all. It's just one. I just drop shipping is just kind of wasting away my eBay account because I don't know how to do it very well. So we're gonna have to fix that up. But we see the return rate's pretty good, only 5%. But I think that's because I was selling a lot of tech stuff. And then yeah, so I think I'm doing pretty good, other than the fact that I tried to drop ship and ding my account because I was above standard literally just like last month or this month. So anyway, this has been me, David D. I just want to show you guys a thing or two about me, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Haha. And gals. I have apparently, well, this is a different account, but my other YouTubes have a high female viewers. So thank you very much. Have a good one, my friend.